Hey people, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back. So today I'm gonna show you how to install a bulb holder at your home. So I have bought a straight bulb holder which is of a GM company, which is very good. I have bought a junction box also. I mean the extension cord. They call junction box, extension box, power supplier, spike buster. So I have bought that also. So this is from GM, which I have bought. The model number is GM3026. This is play angle holder, okay, or baton holder. Sorry, this is called baton holder. So this is how it's gonna look. So this is mainly used to put in the ceiling, like the fall ceiling, and some people use it on the wall also. You get bend type, which will be towards facing towards down, and this is straight. So you can see this is straight, this is not a bend variant. This is how it's gonna look, and the quality is really good. You get it with the plastic made one, the inner part, this part. So please don't go for the plastic one because it's a waste of money and time. This is the best one. No matter which brand you buy, go for this metal one. So this, I think it's a copper or GI maybe. So copper is too expensive nowadays. I don't see people using copper. Only for this, where you can see there are two dots inside, the copper dots. For that they use the copper, that is where the current conduct to the bulb. So I have my bulb. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the bulb which I'm gonna fit it in my ceiling, and this is the holder which I'm gonna use. So this is how it will be fixed to the ceiling, because I have shifted to a new home wherein I don't have a proper place to make a video. So I've arranged my table and everything, but the light I'm using is the normal one. So I face too much of challenge in spite of light. So you can see here it's very bright and here it's dark. So I'm gonna put it in the center, in the place of fan. So I have not installed fan in the center, so I'm gonna use this bulb so I can get a good brightness to make a video. So that's all. I just made an unboxing of this and I show you how it looks. And now I'm going to show you the installation process. For this you need few of the tools: wire stripper or a wire cutter. I have star screwdriver and flat screwdriver, combination player, and a tester. So this is the main tools you require, and this will be fixed on the ceiling. I'm going to show you. For that you need two screws. So I have bought two screws too. So do not forget to buy the screws when you're buying this, because these screws doesn't come with the package. So you have to just twist it to the right and take it out. So this is how it's gonna look when you remove it. This is the upper cap. So the quality wise it's really good. So these are the two screws which I'm gonna fix it. It will be fixed to the plate which will be on the ceiling. So this is how it's gonna fit, and later I'm gonna put this cap. Okay, and once I put this cap, then I'm gonna fix the bulb and turn it on. So I'm gonna show you the place where I'm gonna fix this. So you can see over there, this is where I'm gonna fix this. So let me focus. So guys, as I was talking about the ceiling, so this is the ceiling and this is the ceiling cap. Here actually the fan should be installed, but I'm not using this fan because you have seen my other video. I've installed a wall mounting fan at the wall near the switch. So first thing, make sure the power is on and make sure you turn off the main switch. And so it's a safety thing because anything can happen. I'm an electrician, so that is where I know how to do it. So if you are 100% sure about what you're doing, please do, or else please do not take a chance. I don't recommend this for you guys. So I have removed the sleeves for both the end. Okay, and now using a tester I've just removed these two screws here, so I can insert this. So as you guys saw, I have removed the sleeve and the complete power is off here. I'm using two of the torch. One is at my back and one is front, which is my mobile. So do not do any kind of electrical work when the power is on. Make sure double check the switches and the main switch is off. Please stick some tape or a note over there telling that the work is going on, so nobody will be turning the switches. And make sure you're taking someone's help, so someone will be aware about the work which is going on. So you can see here I have installed this. So you can see here I have inserted the wire and I have tightened it using a tester. Make sure this is tight, and next comes you have to install it to this plate, the ceiling cap. So as I told, you have to have two screws. These are the two screws which I have. I'm gonna use a screwdriver and fix this to the cap, and I'm gonna pull this excess wire out and put it inside. Okay, before that I'm gonna fit the cap. Once I push this cable, the excess cable inside, I have to tighten the cap. Okay, so I have to keep the cap in the right position. Okay, you can see now the cap is in the right position. It's time to use these screws and fit this. Make sure the cable is completely in and check for the right place. One screw just fell down. I'm sorry. I'm gonna tighten this. Ma, one screw with it, Cody. So this is how you have to tighten. I've added one screw. Huh? So accidentally I lost one screw, so I'm gonna take another one. I had some spare screws available, so please make sure you have some spare screws, so you don't have to run again for electrical shop to buy one. Okay, I've installed this, so I'm gonna tighten this properly. Okay, so the holder is tight now. So next is to put this cap. So there is a slot given over there. The cap is ready now, and it's time to put the bulb. I'm gonna put this 40 watts bulb, which is from Crompton. It gives a very good light, which will help me in making videos. So it's time to take all my tool stuffs. Take my torch and everything which I have kept. So I'll ask my mom to turn on the main so I can check this now. So guys, I know it's dark. It's time for a show time. So I'm gonna just turn on the switch. So you can see the brightness of this particular lamp. Yeah. So I've installed this. This is a 40 watts lamp from Crompton. and that is the table which I'm setting up to make my video, and it's perfectly fine now. So you can see my face clear. If I switch another switch from here, so now I think the light, everything is correct. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope this video is useful to you, like how to install a holder, maybe straight holder or a bend holder, the normal layman's language which they call it as. So you can buy this and install it by yourself. And safety first, make sure you use proper tools. If possible, wear a rubber gloves and wear a rubber insulated slipper or a shoe. I recommend shoes. And make sure you turn off the main switch. You have someone to help you, because nobody else should come and turn on the main switch. That's why I make sure someone is there, your mom, dad, or anyone who can help you in making this, installing this. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your love and support, for helping me in reaching 43,000 plus subscribers. And I need your continuous love and support so I can make good and better videos. Do let me know the feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in my next videos. Till that, stay tuned. Bye bye.